I'm Srivarna.
My name is Nandita.
मेरा नाम अमन है.
Myself Manas Thakur.
Avni and I'm from
Purnima. Hi, I'm Chaitra.
I'm Garima.
I'm Smith Jogani.
Fourth year right now.
First year EC
Triple E department.
इंजीनियरिंग में हूँ.
Tier BTech.
I'm from mining branch.
Finally a triple E.
CSP.
Mechanical department, 4th year.
Third year metallurgy.
What if I told you the most students realize the most important college lessons only when they are about to graduate? So that not to happen, with you and me, I went to people in my college NITK and asked them for one college tip. Let's go and listen from them.
So one college tip from my side is colleges की CG matter नहीं करती. This is not the case. Again, balancing out is the key. और academics के साथ जो कर सकते हो, please do that.
One tip from my side would be just explore all the branches that you want. Like people might tell you just stick to your branch in first year. I won't say that. Do whatever you like. Just figure out कि क्या होगा at the end. अभी मत करो वो.
अरे नहीं, ये सफरी काम नहीं करते. From my side would be कि आप अपना डर ख़त्म कर दो. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि आप जब भी कुछ करने जाते हो आप सोचते हो कि ये 4 लोग क्या सोचेंगे. फक द 4 लोग. आप कुछ भी करना, आप पोस्ट करना चाहते हो, जस्ट पोस्ट करिए. जैसे कि ये यूट्यूब वीडियो कर रहा है भाई, तो यू आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब.
I was from a boys' school, so I think you should have one girl in your group so that you should know how to communicate with other people also. Like for me, it was very difficult to communicate with girls when I came to campus.
For effective studies, it could be like have to study every day because there'll be like every day there are classes and all. So it'll be like if you skip one day, you'll be and have to again tomorrow have to cover up the yesterday's thing. So just keep the timings and make sure you complete it on that day, whatever you taught in the classes. That's the best.
Main tip would be that don't depend on lecturers for any study related issues. It's all self-study here, so you can't do the same thing you did in school.
I would say if you come here, don't think your life is already settled and don't keep your expectations too high either because you've got a long way to go and this place teaches you a lot. And yeah, that's it.
इंसिडेंट में जाओ, ओपन माइक में जाओ, देखो कि कितनी क्रिएटिव लोग हैं यहाँ पे. मतलब कोई भी जा सकता है, कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा. और घबराओ मत, कुछ नया एक्सप्लोर करो क्योंकि अक्सर हम रूम में घुसे रहते हैं तो कुछ पता नहीं चलता क्या ही सब हो रहा है. पर अलग अलग जगह से लोग आते हैं तो काफ़ी अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस देखने को मिलता है. मैंने यहाँ पे यूकेलेले बजाना सीख लिया, हारमोनिका बजाना सीख लिया, भरतनाट्यम सीख लिया वर्कशॉप में. लाइक तक दिन तक 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 दिन तक तक. तो ये
Do enjoy with your friends so much and make friends like them. So do every possible bakchodi you can.
One tip that I would love to give you guys is try to follow what you love, what you're passionate about. Academics is definitely important, but you have to follow your passion as well. You have to do something that you love so that you can be happy in college life. One thing that I regret in my first and second year, that was not focusing on academics that much. Even though I am doing what I love right now, I would love to have a balance, but it's okay.
बैक लाओ.
हाँ.
तुमको क्या पता कि बैक का मज़ा क्या होता है.
Okay.
ठीक है, बैक लाओ. ठीक है, ईयर बैक लाओ.
Year back.
हाँ, ईयर बैक लाने के बाद जब तुम आओगे आगे
Okay.
तो लोग तुम्हें अच्छा कहेंगे. ईयर बैक लाओ, बैक लाओ, ईयर बैक लाओ. कॉलेज से रेस्टिगेट हो, ठीक है. इतना बर्बाद हो कि तुम्हें कुछ और करने का समझ में नहीं आए, तभी तो फिर कुछ करोगे तो लोग इज्जत करेंगे. ऐसे क्या बेसिक ज़िंदगी जीने का क्या फ़ायदा है.
One advice I want to give about placements and internship is that I think you should focus more on skills and which role you are interested in. क्योंकि in the end they'll be offering some role and you don't want it, but तुमको मिल जाएगी गलती से, then you will be like what to do now ऐसा, and then you'll quit the job in the end. I have heard from, and don't go for like theoretical parts and all. Like pure skills you should have pure skills. Yeah.
Fresher at NITK, and one of my tip would be try new things. For example, what I did is I am currently working in a startup. Just to explore how a startup works, I got to know how a startup is actually working,
how is it leading, and one of its base is NITK only. So I'm learning a lot, connecting with a whole lot of students right now with that startup only.
if you are coming, then you have to be make sure that you are you should be well prepared with this college food and mess and yeah, bus.
Actually, you get tired when you talk to this lot of people, so you need to be very energetic when you are doing this content creation. I found it similar to a video where like a founder was selling his product, and he was in his early stage, so he was selling his product, so and he was rejected by many people. Same I was feeling today, and yeah, it's quite good experience. Yeah, I'm enjoying fest as well and doing my work, so that keeps it balanced.
Say that if you're facing any problem related to academic, non-academic or anything, you should not keep it inside yourself. You should go to your friends or seniors. Maybe if you're comfortable with any professor or something, you should go and ask immediately about it.
आप सीनियर से कांटेक्ट रखो, वो बहुत काम में आएंगे आपके. प्लस अपनी फिजिक पे ध्यान दो, अपनी फिजिक बनाओ, अपने हेल्थ पे ध्यान दो और मज़े करो.
मैं जो नए कॉलेज में आने वाले हैं फर्स्ट ईयर में, उनको ये टिप देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप घर को पहली बार छोड़ रहे हैं, दूसरे शहर नए शहर पहली बार आ रहे हैं, तो आप रेडी रहें कि आपको कुछ चैलेंजेस फेस होंगे लोनलीनेस से रिलेटेड, और आपको शायद थोड़ा अकेलापन महसूस हो. इतना जेई वाला जो प्रेशर है वो कॉलेज में फेस नहीं करना है, और अपने अल्कोहल स्मोकिंग में नहीं जाना. पहला एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था. आप NIT के आ रहे हैं तो बीच सी शोर से थोड़ा सेफ्टी बना के रखें, बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर ना जाए.
Students just study one day before the exams, and it's actually not good. Like the stress one day before, like all-nighters, they are really not good for your health. And like there are some tips like my friends use. Like they use Saturday, Sunday they go to library, because Central Library here has air conditions. Your question papers which are very helpful for your exams, like during the midsem it's must. And like you can also, like if you're going to classes now, please try to like understand what you are studying. Like something will go into your mind, and I am sure it will help in the exam.
यही दूंगा कि कॉलेज में आके नशे में मत पढ़ना. अरे उधर मत घुमा यार कैमरा. नशे में मत पढ़ना, बस बाकी सब एंजॉय कर सकते हो. चिल करो कॉलेज लाइफ को, अच्छी कॉलेज है, पढ़ाई करो और आ जाओ यहाँ पे.
Both the things parallelly.
And about clubs, there are like pretty lot of clubs. If you can join ACE. I'm just promoting. They're like pretty. So for exclusive, it's almost like internship. No, internship interview. You kind of have to crack the test is of SIG aptitude. Then branch related, co-related, whatever the SIG related. Then yeah, if you're really interested, you'll kind of get into.
Explore. You should like explore. You should do everything while in college. And also, get out of your bubble and like do whatever it is. Do everything. Try everything.
सारे लड़कों से कहना कॉलेज मत जाओ, ठीक है. कॉलेज का जो पैसा मिल रहा है फीस का, वो आप बढ़िया एकदम घूमने फिरने में लगाओ, खाओ पियो. देखो वैसे भी नौकरी नहीं मिलनी है, ऐसे भी नौकरी नहीं मिलनी है, तो कोई मतलब नहीं कॉलेज आने का. डिपार्टमेंट क्या करोगे जान के, कोई फ़ायदा है? नौकरी तब भी नहीं मिलनी, ऐसे भी नहीं मिलनी, वैसे भी नहीं मिलनी.
One college tip from my side and experience is have a balance between studies and your extra curricular activities. हाँ सही में मेरा CG बहुत कम है.
You should not take stress during your JEE, because stress is really not helpful and it will not benefit you.
देने वाला हूँ मैं बस ये बताऊँगा कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई के लिए अपनी लाइफ को मिस आउट मत कर देना. बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स होते हैं, क्रूशियल एज आपकी, आपको लिव भी करना है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर मत लो. अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो, कोई इतनी बड़ी एग्ज़ाम नहीं है, हो जाएगा अच्छे से प्रिपेयर. चिल करते रहो और पढ़ते रहो.
मैथंगो कोर्स पूरा साल तो 6,000 का होता है, और सेल चलती रहती है 5,000 की, पर दिवाली टाइम में 4,000 हो जाता है. मैं मैथंगो में सिर्फ मॉक्स देना है नवंबर से, तो बस दिवाली टाइम में सबसे लोएस्ट प्राइस होते हैं तभी. थैंक यू.
भाई मैं क्या बोलूँ भाई. नो कट.
क्या 3 2
क्या करना था?
उल्टी. ये थोड़ा इधर आओ, सीधे से अलग आ जाएगा. क्या हंस क्या रहा है? रुक जाना.
यू शुड क्या बोलूँ, फंबल हो गया, पॉज कर.
हाँ
ये इसका भाई लाजून राहिला भाई काय बोलू भाई